In today's video, we have the Ice Cream Beauty Box. This is $12.50 a month, and if you use my code JUSTAN in all caps, you save some money off. I make nothing out of it. It is just for you guys. And this is a different packaging because it used to come
a little longer than a few minutes later.
It used to come like this, but this month looks like this. I don't know if it's going to come like this every month or if it's just once, just this month or what. But this is for May 2025. And I am all over the place because, where's my phone? It is very late at night. It is 11:24 at night when I'm filming. Anywho, if you want to see what I got, here are my thoughts and opinions. And is this puppy worth the money? Keep on watching. Today's co-host is Miss Akira, a.k.a. Kiri, a.k.a. Sleepy Girl. She's tired. This is past her bedtime.
This is what you're doing. This is what I want you to do. Any questions?
Like I said, this is the Ice Cream Beauty Bag, $12.50. Use my code, save some money off. I just got done unboxing the Ice Cream Beauty Box, so if you have not seen that already, check that out. And spoiler alert, it was a great month. Yes, it was. All right, let's open her up. I really like this cherry packaging. I hope she keeps this. I like it a lot. All right, so you usually get about 3 full-size items. It says you can get between 3 and 5. I've never seen 5 items, but occasionally you do get 4 items. This month we have 3. Now, with the beauty box, it always comes themed. The beauty bag, it does not. It just says, like right here, for May 2025. But everything always goes together. You know what I mean? And yeah, and it just gives you, I love this. I wish more beauty boxes did this. I say this all the time. That it just tells you what it is and gives you a price. Love that. All right, I'm going to keep this. I don't want to throw that away. What was that?
Don't worry, Anne. It's not a mouse. Every noise I hear, I think it's a mouse. Okay?
I don't know. All right, so the first thing we got is from Illuminati Cosmetics. This is a multi-chrome gel eyeliner. And I tell you every time, I don't like the name of this company, but everything I have tried from them, even their liquid lipsticks, are very good. It's a personal preference. I just don't like the name. So, but again, all their products are really, really good. Does it say what shade? I don't know if the shade is Prime or what. It just says multi-chrome eyeliner for $21. Yeah, I think the shade is Prime, but I could be wrong. Let's open her up. I love duochromes, multi-chromes, everything. Give it to me.
Dave, give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me. Start it over. Give it to me!
Yeah, I don't see a name on it, so I think that's what it is, because right here it says Prime. All right, so we have 2 ends. Okay. So we have this spongy thing, and that's probably to, like, smudge it out. But let's see. This is exciting. Oh, my goodness. I know you won't. I don't want to put it up too high for it breaks, but it has, like, green and bronze. It's beautiful. You can even put this as a little shimmer shade if you like. That is gorgeous. I don't see a lot of like the multi-chrome that it's supposed to be, but it's like, can you see like it does change. So you have like a green, reminds me like of a leaf color, And then like that. It's like a bronzy green. Very pretty. Really, really is. And let's see if this like smudge, does that come out? Yeah, let's see if it smudges it. Oh, look, using it takes it right off. So I wouldn't use this if I were you. It'll just take it right off. You could just use your finger or something else, or like an eyeshadow brush. Okay, I think this is like too hard unless you wet it or something. I don't know. I'm not going to use that end, but all right, so we have this. This right here pays for the whole box. It like doubles the box price, The next thing we have is from B Bella Cosmetics. And this is a Bella Luxe lip gloss for $6. Yes. It's called Plastic Princess. Alrighty. So this looks like shimmer. It's so pretty. And that's the shade. And it's one of the applicators that is like straight up and down. And it's not really the bendy type. You know how some of them like bend? This does not. Alright. Remember, this is a lip gloss. So this has some, it's like opaque. I know I say it wrong. It's supposed to be opaque. Like cake. I got to remember the word cake. But that just doesn't sound right because I'm so used to saying opaque. And that's the shade right there. It's very pretty. Alright, so we have that. And last but not least, you always get some sort of palette, usually an eyeshadow palette or a blush palette or a highlighting palette or something. But you do always get a palette. And this is from B Bella Cosmetics. This is the Orange Squeeze palette for $16. Okay, I don't think I have this palette. Just like that. Alright, and it looks like this. Let's see. Ooh, that's pretty. So you have a mirror. And look at those shades. This reminds me of like spring, summer, but also fall, you know? I love these colors. I like the orangey colors or terracotta colors. I don't know, maybe because it goes with my blue eyes or what have you, but I do love this. And I'm really into like neutral looks and stuff now. Do you remember back in the day? Go back to my videos like 2-3 years ago. It was like color and oh my gosh. Let me take this off and then we'll do some swatches real quickly. Okay, so this one here looks like it's like a glitter. And I don't like pressed glitters in a palette, but this has like that oily base. It's not like a glitter, you know. So I don't mind these. I always say I still think you should use a glitter glue and then pat them on your eye. And that's what it looks like here. It's very pretty, as you can see. I like this a lot. It has like yellow, even a hint of green and stuff, and orange, and it is pretty. All right, so it looks like it's just one, which I'm glad about that. All right, let's do some shimmers. Yeah, baby. I guess these two are mattes. They look like shimmers to me in the pan, and these are. So let's just do some swatches, yeah. So those two are mattes. Ooh. And these two are shimmers. Very pretty. Remember, this palette is only $16. All right, I'm going to do this one. This is like a bronzy color. Oh, look at that. It's like a bronze orangey color. And then is this one. And then, what is that? Okay, yeah. So then we have these three. Put them. Oh, my gosh. Look at these colors. This is like a very light green, like a mint color. Look at this. In person, it's so pretty. Oh my goodness, I love this. All right, let me just do a couple mattes. This shade right here, I love. Like the terracotta colors. Love. This is more like a terracotta color, I guess, right here. And then, oh, I keep forgetting to take that off. Let's do, like, this is like a pale color. Oh, that's pretty. This is like a very light orange. You're probably not going to see it, but then you have these three colors right here. And this one is the darkest color. Let's see if you can like deepen it up. Oh, yeah. So you can deepen it up. But for me, if you want a smoky eye, then you might have to go in with another palette if you want something deeper. But this is so pretty. I love this. Again, you can use it for spring. You can use this in winter if you like. But I'm just saying, I love this. Like, you can use this almost all year round if you like, you know? $16. I mean, and it's not patchy or anything. I've seen brands that are like $40 palettes that are patchy, so not bad. Be Bella Cosmetics. Okay, so short and sweet, let's recap everything that you would receive in the May Ice Cream Beauty Box. So, of course, you would get this palette. Then you get the Be Bella, what is this called? Lip gloss. So 16 and 6 is what? $22. And then you get the Illuminati, what is it called? Multi-chrome eyeliner for $21. So 22 and 21 is $43. And this is $12.50. You know, it's always worth it. It really is. You know, if you can't afford the beauty box, I always say, I prefer this better than Ipsy. Now, I know with Ipsy you can get higher end stuff and, you know, you get more things. But for me, they just knock it. You always get full-size items and it knocks it out of the park every month, you know. The only thing with Ipsy is you get a beauty bag every month with it, which is a bonus. You know what I mean? But yeah, I like this. Let me know what you think of the Ice Cream Beauty Bag. Would you get something like this? Do you get it? Are you thinking about getting it? Let me know down below. Don't forget, if you use my code JUSTAN in all caps, we'll save you some money off. I make nothing out of it. It is just for you guys. Don't forget to check out my beauty box. And I also have a vlog channel. I did say, if you did not watch my beauty box, that my daughter's father passed away last Saturday, May 17th. The funeral is this Thursday on the 29th. And I'll get more into detail and everything about what's going on and the life changes and everything else on my vlog channel. I'm getting ready to do a little coffee talk next. So check out for that. And that is everything, guys. Don't forget to thumbs up the video or thumbs it down. Make sure you leave a comment. Commenting really helps out with engagement. Even if you just leave an emoji, it would mean the absolute world to me. Stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay healthy, and most importantly, always stay you. Never let somebody take you out of your character. Do as I say, not as I do. And always be kind. Life is so short. Chuck passed away at the age of 50. He would have been 51 August 18th. And tomorrow's never promised, you know? So be kind. And if you don't have anything nice to say, don't say nothing at all. All right, guys. Bye. Alrighty, I really like this orange squeeze. Yes, baby. What is that noise? Who is making all that noise? Don't you know I'm trying to film here? Bye.